on YouTube. Damien Evans is my co-pilot for tonight. Let's begin with our top story. And we begin tonight 34 kilometers from the capital of Nairobi. George Koimburi of the little-known People's Empowerment Party is the Member of Parliament-elect for Juja constituency. Now, he caused a major upset for the ruling party Jubilee after garnering 12,159 votes against Jubilee's Susan Waititu, who got less than half of those votes. That's 5,746 votes. Now, Koimburi, whose party is associated with Gatundu South Member of Parliament, Moses Kuria, now replaces the late Francis Munyua, who died earlier in the year. And as George Maringa now reports, ODM and UDA shared the spoils in the just concluded by-elections.
Nearly 36 hours since voters in Juja constituency lined up to elect their next Member of Parliament, a few minutes past 6 p.m. Wednesday, the returning officer finally announced the winner.
Dongo George Koimburi.
Koimburi of the People's Empowerment Party clinching the seat with a total of 12,159 votes from the constituency's 184 polling stations. His closest rival, Susan Waititu, who was running on a Jubilee party ticket, came in a distant second with 5,746 votes.
Juja ni ile ambayo ni kubwa sana. Unapata mwingine anatoka ardhi na ni zaidi ya kilomita 20 kufika hapa mjini Juja. Kwa hivyo nitahakikisha nitaweka ofisi ambazo ziko huko mashinani kuhakikisha yule mkaaji wa Juja tumemfikia kwa wakati ambao unafaa.
But the by-election was not without hitches. On Tuesday night, chaos erupted at the Mangu High School Tallying Center, threatening to derail the process, forcing the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, to halt tallying.
We don't want to hear that certain officers have been sent on transfer or leave a night before elections, or the officers in a station have refused to take instructions from the presiding officer.
Koimburi's victory comes hours after an election marked by poor turnout, which stood at 18.91% of the total registered voters. And in Bonchari, ODM's Pavel Oimeke was declared winner of the constituency's by-election after defeating 12 other candidates. In results announced on Wednesday by the IEBC, Oimeke won with 8,049 votes, defeating his closest challenger Zebedeo Opore of the Jubilee Party, who came in second with 7,279 votes. 13 candidates were on the ballot to succeed Oro Oyoka, who succumbed to COVID-19 in February. The two parliamentary by-elections were marred by allegations of bribery and harassment as Jubilee, ODM and UDA parties cried foul over alleged interference. George Maringa, KTN News.
And we will be talking about that by